Welcome to Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. Every week I hunt down the coolest, weirdest, and best priced airplanes for sale online. Let's see what we have waiting in the hangars this time. Starting things off this week, we have a N3 Pup Project out of Kentucky for $7,500. The N3 Pup is a single-seater Part 103 ultralight aircraft based on the nostalgic Piper J3 Cub. This one is equipped with a Globe half Volkswagen engine, producing around 37 to 40 horsepower. This is not a finished aircraft. There's assembly required. If you ever wanted to learn and understand how an airplane goes together, this is an affordable entry into it. Second up this week, we got a 1941 Aeronca Super Chief out of California for $23,000. This is actually a pretty good-looking pre-war Aeronca Chief. If you like flying slow and vintage aircrafts, this is about as pure as it gets. Third this week, we got a 1952 Super Cub T-Cub. This T-Cub was originally delivered to Stalin's Air Force Base and later served in Civil Air Patrol. It's powered by a Lycoming 0320 and has some modern upgrades like toe brakes and Cleveland wheels. And at this price point, it sits right in the sweet spot between collectible and usable. Fourth on the list this week, we got a Slipsiv Storch for $68,000 out of Florida. This is an experimental aircraft based off the Fiesler Phi 156 Storch. This one's equipped with a modern Rotex 912 engine producing around 100 horsepower. It has 344 hours total time, and its cruise speed is around 75 knots. The Storch has excellent STOL capabilities, and this one is equipped with Alaskan bush wheels. At this price point, you get a very fun STOL aircraft, but don't plan on going on any cross-country trips. Fifth and headliner for this week, we got an Aerotech A220 for $105,000, based out of Idaho. The Aerotech A220 is basically a factory-built Kit Fox S7. This one has around 250 hours total time, comes with a fresh annual, and also comes with carbon fiber snow skis. Built for short fields, remote strips, and backcountry exploring. That's it for this week's Airplane Alchemy Deals of the Week. If you spotted a gem or have a lead on a rare aircraft, drop it in the comments below. I might feature it next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help the channel climb higher. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, and maybe on barnstormers too.